Ralph going onto the freeway. The wrong way though. See it? No, we're supposed to go that way, Ralph. What's wrong with you? Yeah.
Flipper screw.
Yeah.
We're done for.
Yep.
Oh, well, we'll just keep going.
So we're gonna get back in. Can't even see the dirt bikes in the mirror. Dirt bikes. Cars. Yep. Bikes. Dirt road. Bye-bye. Motocross track.
Just gonna do one of those hits?
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying if I can't find one. They're hard to find. Jewel Exotis. Oh,
So you
snap.
can piece together a Pearl Jam puzzle.
Get
We
around.
start
Gravity
playing
D.
Monday morning.
Here's the bike.
Find interviews,
See if you can
this
see it.
and more on the mornings tab at kdkb.com.
Welcome to Whataburger.
And my all-time favorite is the honey barbecue chicken strip sandwich. We've got our Texas toast that is golden and crispy.
I love the Texas toast, how it's caramelized. 3 cool breaded chicken strips on there.
Monterey Jack Shields, covered with some honey barbecue sauce, and all together it's a perfect blend.
No.
Don't give up on me. What will be, will be.
What a good year.
Goodyear Road. Oh snap, nice. Ralph driving. Dirt bikes are in the back. Yeah.
Are we in that lane?
Yeah, well I guess we're in that lane. We're somewhat in that lane.
Come on.
Anytime now.